say hi. Hello. I love you. I love you. We are in the Lionsgate portal today, but the energy does start prior and after, but it's no joke. And I'm saying I love you to my shadow self. I love you. You did it. I continue to do the work. It doesn't stop. And it's not fun. It's not for the, what is it, faint of heart? I don't know. It's like the hardest thing I've ever done. And I'm here with me. And it doesn't matter, like everything else. I got me and I love me and I'm okay. Cool with that. But man, was it painful to get here. So, just sending everyone love and light. And I'm here trying to be present. I'm healing and I'm very grateful because, yeah, I'm going to take off and go find more, more shadow work to work on. Okay. Ciao for now.